If you're seeing the Gmail error that says the mail server is not responding, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get Gmail working again in your email app. This issue is usually caused by IMAP not being enabled, incorrect server settings, or Gmail security blocking the login for third-party mail apps like Outlook, Apple Mail, or another email client. The good news is that this is usually very easy to fix once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is enable IMAP in Gmail. IMAP is what allows your email app to pull your Gmail messages correctly. To do that, open a web browser and sign in to your Gmail account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click it. Then choose See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page where all the advanced options are located. Now across the top, click the tab that says Forwarding and POP/IMAP. This is where Gmail controls whether other apps can connect to your mailbox. Scroll down until you see the IMAP access section. If IMAP is disabled, select Enable IMAP. This step is very important because if IMAP is turned off, your mail app may fail to connect and show a server error. After enabling it, scroll down and click Save Changes so the setting is applied properly. Next, you want to check your server and port settings. If you are setting up Gmail inside an email app, the app must use the correct incoming and outgoing server details. For the incoming server, also known as IMAP, the address should be imap.gmail.com and the port should be 993 with SSL enabled. For the outgoing server, also known as SMTP, the address should be smtp.gmail.com. You can use port 465 with SSL or port 587 with TLS. If even one of these values is incorrect, your app may keep showing that the mail server is not responding. So take a moment to carefully compare your settings with these values and make sure everything matches exactly. If you're using a third-party mail app, there is one more very common cause of this error, and that is Gmail security. Google often blocks basic logins from apps unless you create an app password. This is especially important if you have two-step verification turned on. To do this, go to your Google account security page. If you do not already have two-step verification enabled, turn that on first. Once that is active, look for the app passwords option. Google may ask you to sign in again for security verification. After that, create a new app password. You can give it a name like Outlook, Apple Mail, or whatever email app you're using. Then Google will generate a 16-character password for you. This is not your normal Gmail password, so make sure you copy it carefully. In your email app, replace your regular password with this app password. In many cases, this is the exact fix that stops the mail server error and allows Gmail to connect successfully. If the error still appears after that, double check that IMAP is enabled, the server names are typed correctly, and the port numbers match the secure settings we mentioned earlier. A small typo in the server address or port is enough to prevent the connection from working. Also, if you recently changed your Google password, you may need to sign out and sign back in or re-enter the new app password inside your mail app. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are enable IMAP in Gmail, verify the IMAP and SMTP server settings, and generate an app password if your email client needs one. These three steps solve most Gmail mail server not responding errors in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.